Chicken cutlets, shallow fried on the Blackstone, is one of my favorite things ever. Everybody knows that. Today we're topping it off with another one of my favorites. It's Caesar salad. Simple, but I've got my mom here to help me make a homemade Caesar salad dressing to put all over these crispy fried Italian chicken cutlets. I think you guys are gonna love these. Join me and my mom for lunch. And there's anchovy paste, just for you, Ethan. You can't put that in my video. I love chicken cutlets and they're so easy to shallow fry on the Blackstone. We've got my dredging station already set up. One bowl has eggs whisked together. The other one has seasoned breadcrumbs that already have Pecorino Romano cheese to them. Our eggs will get a little salt and pepper. We'll chop up some Italian flat leaf parsley, add that to the eggs and a little extra into our breadcrumbs. We're gonna add in some freshly grated cheese. Locatelli is my favorite brand. It's a Pecorino Romano cheese. We'll grate some into our eggs as well as our breadcrumbs. Now we've got 2 chicken cutlets, one for me, one for mom. I've already pounded them out nice and thin. You wanna dredge your chicken cutlet into the egg wash first, both sides. Make sure to soak up some of that parsley and all of that cheese. I really like to do this overnight. You can let it marinate in that egg mixture, which is even better, but we don't have time. This is a quick lunch. Into the dry breadcrumbs, coating each side, pressing down firmly, flipping it back and forth until they are completely coated. Now that we've got both done, we'll slide these aside for a second and jump over to our salad. Caesar dressing is one of my favorite things. I love making it homemade. I love my mom's as well. So I've got my mom helping me out. Into a large mixing bowl, she'll add some Duke's mayo, garlic paste, anchovy paste, which is a must. I don't care what you say. Ethan, honestly, it's not Caesar dressing without anchovies. Then we'll add in some Dijon mustard, and then we'll take just a little bit of the juice from some capers, drizzle that in, add in a few splashes of Worcestershire sauce, the juice of half of a lemon, and some salt and pepper. Mix that up, Mom, and now I'm gonna take over and get this Locatelli Pecorino Romano cheese, grate it into here. I like going really heavy on the cheese because this is what thickens up our dressing. I like a really nice thick Caesar dressing. This looks good, tastes good, it's perfect. Slide that aside and let's get these chicken cutlets shallow frying. On to medium heat, we'll drizzle down extra light tasting olive oil. This is my go-to for frying chicken cutlets on the hot griddle. You want to go medium to medium low heat. Gently place those cutlets into that oil. Let them hang out for about 3 to 4 minutes. In the meantime, we'll jump over to some romaine lettuce that I've already chopped up. We'll drizzle over some of our homemade Caesar dressing, toss this around, adding some salt and black pepper to season up our lettuce even more. I love salt and pepper on my salad. Let's jump back over to our chicken cutlets, check them, give them a flip. Ethan, do they not look perfect?
They look pretty good.
I know, I'm telling you, I am the queen of chicken cutlets. I love making them. We'll flip these over, adding a little more oil if needed. I do need some here. We'll let them cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until cooked through and perfectly golden brown. Time to plate these up. Are you ready to eat, Mom? These chicken cutlets look perfectly done, if I do say so myself, but I did learn from the best. What's next? A little Caesar salad over the top with our homemade dressing, which another thing I learned from my mom was how to make a good Caesar salad dressing. Doesn't that look good? This is the perfect lunch or dinner. I think I'm gonna do a little Parmesan, a little extra, no, Locatelli, Pecorino Romano.
How about a squeeze of fresh lemon?
That was very low. Griddle Nation can't hear you when you talk that low. How about a little bit of garnish of it too? This, Ethan, if I do say so myself, this looks like we just got this at a restaurant. Another recipe, a family style favorite.
One of my favorites.
I know, but
Thanks for
it's one of your favorites because you taught me how to cook. And chicken cutlets and Caesar salad, 2 things together that I love. I think you guys are gonna love it. Make this for lunch or dinner. Post a picture if you do. Tag me Blackstone Betty. Say hi to Mama Donna. It's been a while since
Hello.
you've been on a video.
It's been a long time.
Thanks for cooking with me. Until next time, guys, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to see you for another family-style favorite, maybe another one inspired by my mom, in the next video.